Alright, boys and girls, we're going to do a math number talk. We are going to be reviewing our addition strategies because our learning goal for math says I can use strategies to add. So we're going to be thinking in our brain, and then we're going to be discussing how we got our answer. So when I put the problem up on the board, I really want you to think about how you got your answer. Did you count on? Did you use doubles? Did you make a 10? Okay? Alright, here we go with the problem. Going to give you wait time, and then you're going to revoice. Maybe if you guys got the same answer, you might want to add on a different strategy that you used. Okay? Everybody show me what you do with your hand when you have the answer. Okay? That's not it. Show me. Alright, when you have a strategy to answer the question, what do you do? Put your finger out. If you have more than one strategy, if you used add on plus make it 10, then you put up 2 fingers. Okay, so here's the problem. Okay, everybody look up. You're thinking in your brain, using the strategies, not using your fingers. I really want you to think. Think about the numbers. You'll see some people that don't have the answer yet. Alex, what did you get?
I got 20.
20? Did anybody get anything different?
I got 22.
Raise your hand if you had something different. What did you have?
17.
17. Okay, so we had 20, 22, and 17. Any other answers that you got? Start with 17. Jalen, walk me through, restate your thinking. How did you come up with 17? What did you do? But you don't have a number line. This is all mental math. You have a number line in your mind. Okay, so did you count on in your head? What number did you start with when you counted on? And how many did you count on?
7.
All right, so 13. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, I want one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, I did. Oh, yeah, I did. 20. So did we stop at 17? No. So when you have larger numbers like this, I don't think count on is probably the best strategy to use. Okay? What was another strategy that somebody wants to explain? Who had 22? Who had 22? All right, Aiden, how did you get 20? What strategy did you use?
I took the 10, and then I took the 7, and I took 1 out of the 7, and then I added it. I took 1 out of the 7, and then that made 14, and then I add the 6 to 14, and that made 14. Then we had 6 plus 4, that equals 10, and I add that 6 plus 4 to
You liked working with 6 and 4 better than 3 and 7?
I got 22.
22?
I said I had 22.
20 also?
Yeah.
How did you get 20? What did you do?
I started at the number 3, and since 7 plus 3 was 10, so that's in question, so I figured out that it's 6, so I figured out that it was 20.
Because you had a 10 left over?
Yes.
After you added 3 plus 7 plus 10
Yeah.
is 20? What? Okay. Were there any other strategies or were there any other ways that you thought? Michael, can you sit like a gentleman, please?
I took 2 away from 7 and I added it to the 3, so then they would both be 5. Then the single 5,
So you subtracted 2 and you added 2, and you did 5 plus 5.
And then I added the 10. Then it was 20.
Wow. Yeah, I thought you guys would just add the 3 and the 7. And you guys wanted to work with 6 and 4 and 5 and 5. That's really interesting. It's good thinking. I like how you were breaking that number out apart.
I got 10 in my head and then I counted 3 and then got 7 more and then I had 1 more. Equal 20.
So you had this and you got 13, and then you counted on 7 more. Like that? Okay. Just for next time, if I were you, I would probably have started there, because this is a bigger number, and you could have started with 17, and then you could have counted on 3. You get 20 both ways, but it's just a little easier to count on when you have 17 instead of 13. Were there any other strategies? No? Good job. Alright guys, we're going to make a foldable graphic organizer. We're going to make one more way to help remember our strategies before we go on to adding groups of 10 and single digits with double digits, with 2 digits. Okay, so we're going to make an addition graphic organizer with each one of the strategies on, and we're going to cut this apart, and I'll show you exactly how you're going to cut. You're going to open it and cut 6 little flaps, and then you're going to write the strategy, and on the inside we're going to write an example and anything that helps you use the strategy. Okay? So in a second, when I call your table, you can come get your paper.